Can I get my criminal conviction expunged? Hi, I'm Ty Smith, Oklahoma City area attorney with Worth Law Office, and we have people asking us exactly whether they can get an expungement. And a lot of people maybe don't understand what an expungement is exactly. So I'm going to briefly try to explain that to you. So an expungement essentially hides your criminal convictions from the public's view. They can still be viewed by law enforcement, especially your state investigation bureau and the FBI. Those are they aren't completely erased, but they are hidden from the public. Okay, so that if because some jobs require a clean criminal record, it won't show up on a background check. Okay, that's the idea. Now, there's certain requirements for it, and there's actually a very wide plethora for that, one that would take multiple videos. But the requirements boiled down essentially, if you have a misdemeanor from 5 years ago, then that's been misdemeanor from 5 years ago that didn't require any conviction or anything, but it's at least 5 years old, you might be eligible for expungement. And in all of these, make sure you talk with an attorney first before you actually take my word for it. This is just general legal advice, you know. If you committed a non-violent felony and you don't have any other convictions for 7 years after you were convicted of that, and it has been 5 years since you completed your punishment for that, then you may be eligible for expungement. Now, how do I get it? This is kind of the most important one. Well, the easiest way to do it is you can go to the court where you were charged. So if you were charged in, say, Oklahoma County, you can go there. You can ask the court clerk for a petition to expunge. They have little pre-made forms, right? You complete that petition, you file it, you pay the filing fee, which I know in Oklahoma is about $150, right? And then you send, or you get a hearing date, of course. You want to get a hearing date from the judge that's assigned to. Typically, it's the one who presided over your case. But then you are going to want to send a copy to the arresting agency, so whoever arrested you, the district attorney for that county, okay, and the OSBI, okay. This is essentially just telling them that you're looking to get this stuff wiped from your records, okay, from public view, okay. So they are given notice because they are allowed to show up at the hearing, that date that you've already set, and come out and say why you maybe shouldn't have an expungement, okay. Then you go to the hearing, you talk about why you should be given the expungement. And if it's granted, it's granted, and it removes itself from public view, okay, or it's removed from public view. And then typically that's when you pay the $150 expungement fee, but it just kind of depends on where. There's a filing fee and an actual expungement fee, but anyway, if this sounds like something you might be interested in, you want to hire an attorney to maybe go through this process, because if it sounds kind of time consuming, that's just because it is kind of time consuming. If you don't have time to do that, you want to hire an attorney to come do that for you. I do those things. Once more, I'm Ty Smith. You can find me at theoklahomacityatttorney.com, or you can call my office at 405-888-5400. I thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you.